Hello everyone, this is going to be the video of a test run for the new Haoye Company's V2 fan units. I'm just going to videotape my test rig here and show you what we're using. This would be a Castle 120 controller, and I'm keeping it out of the airstream at the moment just to monitor the temps. In flight it'll use that little computer fan. I'm just finishing off the final charge to top the batteries off. I've spent the last few days breaking these batteries in with 5C discharges and 1C charges through about 4 cycles. I like to use a Mastech CCCV power supply charger for my LiPos. When I'm at the field, it allows me to bring high power to charge the batteries. Usually get 2 or 3C charges at the field, and then here at the shop, if the batteries need balancing, then I'll put them on the standard balancer. We are running this setup with 10 cells. These are 5 amp hour Turnigy A-specs, holding up quite well. I keep these balancers on them more or less to monitor the volts during the run and during the charge. This is a switch which I got from the robot marketplace, activated with a ball driver to disarm the power system. I like to keep the batteries in my airplanes when I fly and charge at the field, so it's necessary to have a good switch to turn the system off, and this works out quite well. Easily beats 100 amps without getting hot. So again, this is just showing you my rig. As I charge, I like to monitor what I'm putting back in the batteries with the standard amp meter. Right now we're just topping the charge off. Current is down to around 200 milliamps, and volts are up to just about 41. So I'll let this go a little longer, and then we'll make our test run. And we're using a cheap scale. It doesn't really hold the highest reading that well, so I will try to photograph the reader on the meter reading as I go. Okay, very good. Hello everyone. This will be the run-up for the new Haoye Company V2 90mm fan. Okay, I'm going to arm the system. I like using these high current switches, which I get from the robot marketplace. I'm going to stand behind the unit so I can videotape the scale. It doesn't always hold the reading accurately. Bring out a full charge. To the batteries. 42 volts. 10 cells. Here we go. We have a little bit of vibration in the mid-range, which I believe is coming from my test rig itself. That is again the H.E.T. 650, 68, 1130 kV. I will now disarm the system. And I'll show you the test rig again. Simple drawer slide, not the most technical. Now I will load this data from the Castle controller into the Castle link and input it to the computer, and then post pictures of the run.